Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while trying to save data in your Spring Boot application? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to save an entity and all its related entities in a single save operation. I understand how annoying it can be when you're trying to save related data, only to be met with errors. This is a common challenge many developers face when working with JPA and Spring Boot. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user asked how to save both a report and its activities in one go using Spring Boot. They provided their entity setup and a JSON request, but they encountered a constraint violation exception. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The error message indicates that the report ID is not being set correctly in the related entity. This often happens when the relationship between entities is not properly managed. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To save both entities in one operation, the user needs to ensure that the relationship between the custom report and custom report activity entities is properly established. This means setting the custom report for each activity before saving. Next, the user should modify the Create Custom Report method in the Custom Report Service class. This will ensure that the custom report is set for each activity before saving. Now the user can test the save operation again. This time, the relationship should be correctly established, and the entity should save without any constraint violations. If everything is set up correctly, the user should receive a successful response, indicating that both the custom report and its related custom report activity entities have been saved. Fun fact, did you know that managing relationships in databases is like maintaining friendships? You need to keep track of who knows whom to avoid misunderstandings. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that to save both entities in one operation, you need to set the relationship from the child entity back to the parent. This involves iterating over each custom report activity in the custom report and setting its custom report property. The key takeaway is that both sides of the relationship must be properly set for the Cascade save operation to work successfully. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a different approach to saving related entities in Spring Boot. They recommend defining a parent entity with a one-to-many relationship to child entities. By using cascade operations, the child entities are automatically saved when the parent is saved. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure that both sides of a relationship are aware of each other in your code. This will save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to save both entities in one operation without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Spring Boot and JPA.